What makes our work at the Francesco Collaborative different? Hi, it's Felipe. I was having a conversation yesterday with somebody who asked me, what makes your approach, your funds, the kind of work you're doing distinct? And then he named a couple other groups that he works with currently. And I realized that was a good question. I don't think I've taken the time to distill those factors. So here's an attempt to give you 3 reasons why we're different. And in particular, I'm talking about this upcoming Livable Futures Investing Workshop. It's a special cohort for asset stewards hungry to level up. And that's the first part about what makes us different. Our pedagogy is very different than any other workshop experience we've been a part of. We believe in your leadership, and unleashing your leadership to me is the most important thing. Where is your call? Where is the unique constellation of the institution you're a part of today, the organization, your own formation, your own faith and belief in the more hopeful, flourishing future for our children, for the earth, for the poor? Where can you bring all of that to bear in realizing what is your distinct contribution to make? So our workshop is a container. We offer prompts, we offer questions, we offer reading, but most important, we encourage you to write and ship, actually produce projects, usually in the form of written blog posts, but sometimes in videos, where you are working on this most important work. And then give and receive feedback to others. Realize feedback can be one of the greatest gifts we can offer one another. So we help create the space for a different kind of feedback that you don't often get from colleagues. The second piece, Elizabeth and I both have been shaped by the Center for Action and Contemplation and many other parts of our faith and wisdom teachers. And we believe that spiritual and contemplative practice is something we don't often spend enough time with in our work lives. And so we've built the Francesco Collaborative to give ourselves a space to build new rituals and rhythms and routines. And we want to invite you into that practice as well. And that'll be a cornerstone of this workshop as well. The third piece is practically moving money. We learn the most when we're actually diligencing a particular fund manager or a particular investment opportunity. And so we realized in this past workshop when we had APIS and Heritage, a wealth building opportunity for communities of color through employee ownership, when we had Phil Reeves to come and present, share his fund, and then we had multiple small groups afterwards, people sharing how they had gone about the diligence. 5 people ended up co-investing. We were a catalytic 9 million as part of that 30 million first close for that private equity fund. And we realized we can do more of that. And until we are actually realizing what it is that makes us invest or not invest and help us overcome those things in collaboration, we can build the kind of trust that for us can build the more creative, innovative capital structures, a stack of different flexible capital and less flexible capital that can build the solidarity economy we're looking for. And so the way we build reciprocity and mutualism and flourishing into the economy we're looking for is by practically doing deals together, learning together. And from that, we build trust. So we have a few spots left in this workshop. We're looking for asset holders like you that are looking to invest in your most important work. And I hope you'll take the leap and might decide to dream with us.